girl is back outside, and I'm back outside with my man. Y'all, I came to the mall because I wanted to go to this tech store because your girl is running out of storage. I don't have no storage on my phone, my MacBook, nothing. So your girl needs more space. So I came to look for me a desktop, but the store looks like it moved, but I'm walking around to see if it's still here because I need that. I need to cop that. So I'm finna walk around and see if I can find my store. He know the magic words every time. He said, "You wanna go to the puppy store?" I sure do. Y'all, I have been wanting a toy poodle forever. But y'all know how much they come? They like $3,500 because they come with the chip and everything. They is expensive dogs. Look at the puppies. A lot of them gone. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. He's so cute. I know you do. Because they smart. German Shepherd too. A what? Okay. No.
How much you said estimate?
I just love the little brown ones.
So we can never get one like that as well.
Oh no.
Oh no.
No. I love brown. I love the little brown ones. I don't like the black and white spotted looking ones. This is the dog I want, y'all. And my man is trying to get it for me. Let's just say my man. So I wasn't able to get the Mac desktop at all. So I'm about to grab me a smoothie from Smoothie Shack. You want to try one? I want to try the cherry banana smoothie. A small one. Y'all, all that time I had been noticing I never even really cut on the mic. But my man's chain is ready, so we finna go get his stuff back. And then I don't know if we're gonna find another store for me to find the desktop or not. But I got a cherry banana smoothie. It's real good. You really can't taste the cherry. Only thing you could taste is the banana. But it's really good, y'all. I think I'm getting into liking smoothies more, being more healthy. So, yeah, I'm about to try to see if I can get this desktop. If not, your girl going back in the house because I have nowhere else to go. I looked at the dogs I wanted, really wasn't the one I wanted. Today was a lose-lose situation. But anyway, let's get this man chain so we can get back in this house.
All right, here we are. Like you said, we got you soldered right here, connected to that chain, and we're all good to go here.
High volume.
Am I really that